Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Motorola Moto G77. So first, what you guys want to do if your Wi-Fi is not working, you go over into settings, and now in those settings, you go to network and internet, then click on Wi-Fi, click got it if you got this notification. If not, then just tap on the switch right here and enable it back. This is a quick restart. Now this is what we're always doing first, so we're going to turn it off and turn it on. What we're going to do next is we're going to forget the network that we are connected to. So we're going to press on the gear icon right here. We're going to click on forget, and we're going to select the same network again and simply re-enter the password. After that, we're just going to click connect, and as you guys can see, now we are back and connected to the network. What we're going to do next is, if you got a router nearby, make sure to restart it. There's no way for me to restart my router, so you need to find this switch on your own. Every single router is different, so you need to find a switch that turns it off and turns it on. So you only restart it and not reset it, so there's a big difference. Now what you guys want to do is go over, and for the phone restart, we're going to press the power button and the volume up button. Tap on restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is check for software updates. So where do you find the software update setting? We're gonna open up the battery once the phone loads up. Sorry, not battery, but settings. Now we're gonna scroll down until we see the system updates. So we're gonna scroll down a little. Now here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to system updates, and we're gonna tap on check for updates right here. So now, as you guys can see, I'm using the latest software, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, because we want to make sure that there's no old glitches laying around on our devices. And what you guys can do is go to the system. Now go to reset options, and here reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So you will reset the Wi-Fi settings. Of course, you can also reset mobile network settings, and all you do here is click reset settings, enter the password if you have one, and click reset settings again. So now they are reset, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.